to Miss Olive Tan in recognition of the outstanding performance and exemplary conduct. Given his birthday September 31 and birthday certificate signed by yours truly and Mrs. Cancho. May we call on Miss Olive? Yung ating Best Customer Service Award, si Miss Dyna, wala siya ngayon, update, no? Kaya wala ibibigay yata yung sa employer anniversary. Family day. Cash